Hey, welcome back everyone. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank you all for joining the sixth webinar of AIM Community Series. This community series is designed for showcasing the innovations in manufacturing field by Fusion 360 community experts in India. And this webinar brings community interaction, celebrating the course of design, innovation, and collaboration. My name is Azim, and I would like to welcome you all to this sixth webinar of our series. And I am the host for this entire series. As we all know, the today's session is about the product design. As we all know, Mansi is with us for this session. Uh, I would like to welcome Mansi Jain. She is a product design intern at Efficient Innovations, Mumbai. She will talk about her design portfolio and about the product design quality. Hi, Mansi.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for such a warm welcome. So, first of all, there is a small poll, and I request every one of you to fill up that poll, and then we'll start the session soon.
Hey, great. The most participants have attended all the sessions. Yeah, Mansi, please share your screen so we can start your session.
Yeah. So that's really great. I can see almost 81% people have attended all till date, and I'm really happy with it. So I'll just share my screen, and first of all, I'll just share the results so you guys can see. So very first question of mine is, okay, first of all, I'll just have a basic brief introduction about myself. Hello, everyone. I am Mansi Jain, and I'm a product designer from United World Institute of Designing, which is in Ahmedabad. And currently, I'm interning with Efficient Innovations, which is in Mumbai. So my very first question to all of you is that, are you guys aware about the term portfolio? क्या किसी को पता है portfolio होता क्या है? And if you guys want to answer, you guys can raise your hand, and I'll give you a chance to speak up. So any one of you, those who know कि portfolio होता क्या है, can speak up. I'm waiting for the response. Any one of you, those who like to speak up, can raise the hand.
Just raise your hand. Yes.
I guess there is no answer. Anyone wants to speak can still raise the hand. Arav, Darsh.
Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes, Arav, we can hear you.
Yes, so a portfolio is basically a collection of what all you have made and created. And so that you can show others that this is something that I've done. This is the sum of things that I've done.
Yeah, thank you for your response. Thank you, Arav. Munir, Darsh, would you guys like to speak?
Hello.
Yes, Darsh.
According to me, it's a document which displays all your training experiences, the things which you've done.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Munir, would you like to speak up? Okay, guys. So the answer that I've got from you is perfectly right. It's something portfolio एक ऐसी चीज होती है जो आपके बारे में बताती है जब आप present नहीं होते हो. For example, if you're in a professional world, it tells more about your work and your experience. So by looking at portfolio, you can judge someone's work and you can also know ki what level of skills do they have. I'll share my screen and I'll begin with the presentation. I hope all of you can see my screen. Okay.
This is still processing.
Okay, it's still in processing. I'll wait.
Looks good to me.
Okay. I hope everyone of all of you could see the screen. Now, portfolio एक ऐसी चीज है ना जो आपके बारे में ज्यादा बताती है. It's something which you have one of the best collections of your work and you can put all of it together in it. And that's what portfolio is. For example, अगर आप सभी के कॉलेज में सोचो अगर Apple एक कंपनी आती है and they want to hire one of the best engineer, उनको recruit करना है one of the best engineers among you. You guys are almost at the strength of 100 to 200. उसमें से उन्हें best find करना है. So what they will look forward to is that I guess someone's mic is on. Can you please? Okay, thank you. So portfolio, see they'll get to know कि आपका skill कैसा है and they can recruit you on the basis of your portfolio. So the very first page of my portfolio is basically it's a cover page and this cover page can be designed on the basis of जो आपको सही लगता है you can design the way you want the very first cover page of yours. So here you can see just two things, the heading and my name, and that's something very simple. So the next page is CV. CV kaho, yeah, it can be more like your biodata. It's a professional world ka biodata where you write your name, then you give a basic information about yourself, your email IDs and all your accounts, all your professional accounts. Then you mention more about your education, what kind of education you have done. You guys can write more about skills here. For example, if you can see in my skills list, you can see all kinds of software that I use. And still I'm trying to figure out कि मैं और ज़्यादा कौन-कौन से softwares use कर सकते हैं. So whatever you guys use, you can add it in your skill list. And there is something known as basic notions. Now in basic notions, you can do something which is more like practical, where if you guys are interested in sketching, then you can write sketching, woodwork, metalwork, photography, and 3D printing. So this is something which is my interest area and I have written it down. Also, it would be really great if you have experienced something, if you have already gone to internship, then make sure you write it down on your portfolio because it will make that your portfolio standing out as compared to others. Then if you have participated in something very special, like something which is known as AIM series, if you have participated, you can also write it down. So anything that you have participated throughout, if you have any live design battles, if you have design competitions and anything, something like that, you can write it down. Also, if you have some certifications, make sure you mention it because आपको stand out करना है. Make sure कि वो company वो चीज देख के impress हो जाए. Also, whatever basic languages you speak, you can also write it down. Now CV में एक चीज याद रखना कि whatever you write it down, it has to be something very true. You cannot write anything from your own. You should always have some proofs. For example, you can have your certificates for that. So make sure your CV stands out as compared to other people. So the next page you can see is content. अब content क्या होता है? जैसे basically अगर आपके पास एक textbook है, and in textbook you can see कि बहुत सारे chapters है, and if you want to skip chapter 1 and go to chapter 2, यहाँ पे content बहुत ज़्यादा useful हो जाता है. It basically shows कि आपके कौन-कौन से projects है उसके अंदर, and the same time it will also show your learning experience. So basically मेरा जो भी learning experience था from previous 6 semesters, I have all put it over here. So content एक basically summary हो जाता है जहाँ पे आप आपके जो भी आपका title है, design title है, you can write it down. Okay. So now this is something very, very important for all of you. I hope आप में से सभी लोग design process को follow करते होंगे. To make a good project, to make a good portfolio, or to finally make a good design, you need to follow design process. And those who don't know, no worries, आप आज सीख सकते हो. And I'll tell you everything in detail. So basically design process होता क्या है? आप समझ लो कि you are now currently working in a team. And in team, you have a lot of work to do. Now, if you have a very strong design process, what you can do is you can manage your entire portfolio, you can manage your entire project. Now, in that case, एक इंजीनियर का काम ये नहीं होगा कि वो सिर्फ कैड मॉडलिंग करेगा या रिसर्च करेगा. कभी कभी उसको कैड मॉडलिंग भी करना पड़ेगा. मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम उसको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर जैसा एक्ट करना पड़ेगा. उसको रिसर्च भी करना पड़ेगा. ही इज मोर लाइक अ डिजाइनर आल्सो वेरी डिजाइन प्रोजेक्ट्स. He has to be a part of product manager, and at the same time he has to collect lot of data. So in that case, design process plays a very major role. Now, in short, if you can see a definition of product design. So what is product design? Product design is the process of identifying a market opportunity, clearly defining the problem, and developing a proper solution for that problem, and validating the solution with real user. This is what is product design. Now, in the entire definition, what you see is a process, and that process makes any product designer successful person. So the very first thing, when you have a good project in your hand, make sure you have a proper product vision and a strategy behind it. For example, आपके पास 100 रीजंस होंगे वो प्रोडक्ट को मना करने का, बट एक ऐसा रीजन होगा जो आप चाहोगे कि वो आगे मैन्युफैक्चर भी हो. So make sure you have a very strong product vision and strategy behind it. The second stage is product research and analysis. This stage is really very important क्योंकि यहाँ से आपका गोल सेट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. You have to now gather evidences कि मैं ये प्रोजेक्ट को आगे लेके क्यों जाऊँ and इसमें प्रॉब्लम एरिया क्या है. You can also make sure कि ये जो प्रोसेस है वहाँ पे you get to know more about data. आप चाहते हो कि आप वहाँ से यूजर रिसर्च गैदर कर सकते हो. So this stage plays a very major role because ये stage आपका एक आइडिया फाइनलाइज करना स्टार्ट कर देता है. Then on third stage, you have something which is very basic, that is idea and concept generation. After having a product vision and then going to data analytic and more towards product research, then you have something known as idea or concept generation. इसमें starting from a very basic brainstorming से आप sketching तक, final sketching तक, this is ये सब चीजें ये stage में होती है. So जितने ज्यादा आपके न्यू क्रिएटिव आइडियाज आएंगे, जितने ज्यादा आपका न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट आएगा प्रोडक्ट को लेके, उतना ही आपका कोर स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. सो मेक श्योर व्हेनेवर, अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट विजन अच्छा होगा तो आपका प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च अच्छा होना ही है. एंड अगर वो अच्छा होता है तो डेफिनेटली यू गेट अ वेरी गुड आइडिया एंड कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर योर एंटायर प्रोजेक्ट. सो मेक श्योर ये तीनों स्टेज बहुत अच्छे से आप लोग करें. एंड देन देयर इज समथिंग वेयर यू एग्जीक्यूट योर डिजाइन. अब डिजाइन हो गया, यू डिड रेंडर, यू डिड रिसर्च, अब बारी आती है कि उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना. सो हियर यू कैन मेक लो फिडिलिटी मॉडल, or the other we can start with basic prototype. and आपने पेपर का मॉडल बना दिया, you have made a thermocol model and then you are trying to test it कि ये सही है या नहीं. इसमें आपको जो भी प्रॉब्लम लगता है, then you go to second level of prototyping, and after that, after if you're satisfied with all these 4 stages, then you have a stage where you now start testing it and validating it. So in testing, now you have a user, आप यूजर के साथ टेस्ट करते हो, you see that all my stages have gone completely well, and if you find any such problem here, you then again repair it, and then finally it is in the place जहाँ पे वो manufacture होने जा रहा है. So basically this is a very smart way to make your product, starting from vision, starting from a basic very rough idea to the entire manufacturing process. This plays a very major role. So make sure your design process stands out. एंड जरूरी नहीं है कि आप यही प्रोसेस फॉलो कर रहे हो, यू कैन हैव योर ओन प्रोसेस. मेक श्योर आप कंफर्टेबल होना चाहिए वो प्रोसेस में. सो यू गाइस कैन हैव योर ओन प्रोसेस. अभी तक जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया है डिजाइन प्रोसेस फॉलो, अगर आप करके देखोगे तो यू कैन सी चेंजेस कि आपने जो पहले कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाया होगा और अभी आप जो बनाने चाह रहे हो, आफ्टर द प्रोसेस यू कैन फाइंड अ वेरी चेंज इन दैट एंड यू कैन सी बेटरमेंट ऑफ योर्स. सो मेक श्योर आप ये प्रोसेस फॉलो करते हो. So now we'll come to my very first project, that is Spaceo. Now अभी आपको देख के लग रहा होगा कि cover pictures, that is something related to space. You can see workspace, you can see something related to office. So those who have guessed this, you guys are completely right. Spaceo is something, it is a project which is more related to space oriented. And there in the second page you can see 2 things. First is brief and second thing is problem area. अब brief क्या होता है? I'll explain in short. Brief is something जो आपका डिजाइन का एक स्टेटमेंट बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू सी अ प्रॉब्लम इन समथिंग एंड वो प्रॉब्लम को आप एक स्टेटमेंट में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हो, देन दैट इज डिजाइन ब्रीफ. आई जस्ट रीड इट लाउड ताकि आप लोगों को क्लियरली समझे. तो डिजाइन एन इंटरेक्टिव स्पेस सेविंग सिस्टम फॉर वर्क प्लेसेस दैट टेक स्पेस प्लानिंग इनटू अकाउंट लाइक अ हॉट इशू. सो दैट इज माय ब्रीफ. नाउ आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस आपको एक हिंट लग गया होगा कि समथिंग व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू वर्क प्लेस है, एंड समथिंग एक चीज हाईलाइट हो रही है, दैट इज इंटरेक्टिव स्पेस सेविंग सिस्टम. सो यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, मैं ये दो चीज को ही टारगेट करना चाहती हूँ एंड इसीलिए मैंने ये स्टेटमेंट इस वे में लिखा. प्रॉब्लम एरिया इज समथिंग विच यू फील कि इस जगह में ये प्रॉब्लम है एंड नाउ एट सेकेंड स्टेज यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. सो मेक श्योर अगर आपका कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट हो तो इट शुड हैव टू थिंग्स. फर्स्ट, अ डिजाइन स्टेटमेंट जो आपको हेल्प करे आगे प्रोसेस में बढ़ने के लिए, एंड सेकेंड विच इज प्रॉब्लम एरिया विच मेक्स इट मोर क्रिएटिव कि आप बता सकते हो कि आपको प्रॉब्लम कहाँ लगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज key insight. What is key insight? When once you went to a field visit, आपने आपको field को study किया, you have find some insights. For example, a field visit was conducted at a builder's office in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, and due to the epidemic lockdown time, the field visit was conducted over there. With so many clients, what I see is there is a severe lack of accommodation, which is a major issue for the owner. So once I've talked to the owner, I got to know कि जब बहुत सारे लोग उनके ऑफिस में आ जाते हैं ना तो उनको बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है क्योंकि उनके पास चेयर्स नहीं होते अकोमोडेट करने के लिए, एंड दैट ऑफिस इज ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर, सो दे फील अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि जब बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ उसी जगह पे आ जाता है. द ओनर सेड मी दैट इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम टू मेंटेन द स्पेस एंड इट लुक्ड मोर ओवरबर्डन एंड ओवरचार्ज टू हिम. तो उसी की वजह से पूरा ऑफिस का एनवायरनमेंट खराब हो गया. And here I got my problem. जैसे ओनर ने उनकी प्रॉब्लम बताया, I got the problem and started looking forward for the solution. Now, after doing some design brief and after going and looking forward for the problem, I found that some of the essential effect could be losing staff. The meeting room becomes a workstation, and which is really, really wrong. Then you see that workers together would be packed, and then there is something where it is more like a overstuffed filling cabinet. So these are some of the basics insight that I got. अभी ये insight मिल गया ना, मुझे एक hint मिल गई कि मुझे next मेरा product कैसे बनाना चाहिए. Then you have something known as mood board. Mood board क्या होता है? नाम से पता चल जाता है यार, मूड बनाना है, एक मूड बन जाता है. वो चीज को देख के आपको भी लगता है यार मेरे पास भी ऐसे कुछ होना चाहिए. So mood board is something which inspire you कि आज जब आपका फॉर्म बनाते हो तो आप इसी सब चीजों के आसपास आपका एक माइंड चलता है, and you make something very similar to that form और आप उससे अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हो. So mood board is something that always tells you, it gives an inspiration कि आपको इस टाइप का बनाना है. It is something which you like and you want कि आपके प्रोडक्ट में भी वो फीचर हो. So all that things come in mood board. अभी देखो ना कितना easy हो गया for all of us to see कि after looking at mood board, now you can create your own ideas and ideation process. Then there is something known as inspiration board. So as this entire module was connected to nature and form, so I had that in my mind कि मुझे nature से inspiration लेना है. So if you see the अभी जब आप idea देखोगे मेरे, so you will see the form है वो spherocylindrical shape में है. If you'll see the movement, it is something which is more closely to touch me not. जैसे touch me not close हो जाता है, similarly I have that function in my product कि वो उसी type का movement कर रहा है. Then you have something known as mechanism. So जैसे ant उनके trees को protect करने के लिए एक chain बना लेता है, there is something similar mechanism that you can see in my product too. And there is something known as characteristics. अब characteristics में if you will see a shrew, so shrew क्या करता है? It's something जब वो season change होता है ना, तो उसकी size भी कम ज़्यादा बड़ी छोटी होती रहती है. So क्या then I got an idea कि ये सब चीजें जब मैंने नेचर को स्टडी किया, क्या ये सब चीजें हम लोग हमारे प्रोडक्ट में इनकम्प्लीट कर सकते हैं? Then I got my answer and I thought, yes, I can do all these 4 things together and I can make my product look better in the society. So these are some of the basic mood board and inspiration board from the nature. And always remember, अगर आपको कोई solution नहीं मिल रहा है ना, just go to the nature. You will find lots of solution because nature is the best teacher at the end. And you can go there and you can look forward for a solution because हर एक जन nature से inspire होता है. Everything is inspired from nature. So if you want to create something like that, you should always study nature. You can get millions of good ideas from that. After that, आपका जो भी problem area है, start having a mind map around it. For example, I had a problem related to workspace. मैंने वो area देखी. Then all that thing that came in my mind that there is a lot of distraction and noise, just note it down. Then you can see limited space, security and safety issues. So these are some of the research that I have done, and out of all those people, I have taken a percentage amount and I've written it down over here. So it makes my work more easier. At the end, I have a lots of document which I have an evidence which can support my design. So this is something like that, and you guys can also follow it. Then what you can do is you can have ideation process starts from here. So you can have a basic form ideation. It's something so basic that आप बैठे-बैठे बस एक idea आ रही होंगी, you will say अरे ये designer का design है. But it is something जो एक basic creative idea. Do not let your imagination cut off or go away from you. जो भी आपको लग रहा है, just design it. then you can refine it on the later stage. जैसे मैंने अभी किया, then you have a process where you can have a detailed form ideation. So in this process now it's your time कि आप उसको और डिटेल में लेके जाओ. जो वो टाइम का डिजाइन था, you can see a drastic change कि यार ये तो बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल हो गया, and now you can take your inspiration from that. So this project was more based from nature and form, so that's why you can see form and nature around it. So I've taken all that inspiration which is from nature and I've taken its form. And then after that, this was the form ideation. अब ये form को मुझे product में develop करना है. How will I do it? So then I had all that sketches, which is more like an isometric sketch. जैसे आपको clear हो जाए कि ये sofa ऐसे दिखेगा, इसका ये function होगा. So all that thing can come here. Now here you have to make your product look more detailed, and that's what I've done in that phase. Next comes is to make your design more look better and आप उसको explain कर पाओ. Make sure you start labeling it, ताकि आपको आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम ना हो कि यार ये पार्ट क्या था, वो पार्ट क्या था. There is nothing like that. Now you can start labeling from here, so it makes your work more easier and at enough flow. So now आपको एक hint मिल गई होगी कि I am planning to make something known as sofa, and ऐसे कुछ होगा. It will be more like a workspace में वो बैठे. So आपको एक basic rough hint मिल जाती है that what I am doing on that basis. Now after that, usko bhi, like after studying that, I have find that there are some problem areas, some pain points, and then I have decided now I'll make my final form and product detail sketches. So this is something like that. And in this I try to make sure कि इसमें जितना भी material हो ना, it's the step level number 2, where you add all your materials, all your stuffs like color कौन से हो गए, what kind of materials will be there, what kind of hinges will be added to it. So if you see the name Spacey O, this O is not O, it is the top view of my sofa. So all now in this point you should now start knowing कि आपका material क्या होगा, what kind of fabric you will be using, what kind of wood should you use, what kind of airfoam should you use. So it will make your work again more easier. So as you can see, this is a top view, and that's where Spacio came in my mind. So that's how I got that inspiration. And then you can also add key covering में what kind of hinge will be there, what kind of sliding doors will be there, and why it is important. Start reasoning, like everything has to be a reason. If someone asks you a question, you should have enough reason कि यार ये ऐसे मैंने बनाया है. So I have also given all my reasons over there. Now next step is something, अभी आप लोगों को hint मिल गया है कि मेरा product दिखेगा कैसे. Now it's time to have a basic low fidelity render, जहाँ पे आपका एक basic render होगा, and it will make more things clear. I'll just explain you that Spacio has two different forms. First one is the sofa thing, and the second is space saving form. These two are easily interchangeable when needed by simply pressing a button. एक बटन दबाने से I can easily change both the forms. So if you want sofa, ये जो doors है, sliding doors, it will slide away and you can sit here. And once no one is using it, then what I have planned is to make that doors close again, and then you can keep anything on it. So that's how you will start utilizing the space. So that's the basic idea that I had in my mind. And now so this part is more like where I'll be having an unbreakable glass. I've done an entire research on that, like what kind of glass will be there and everything. And that glass will help, once it is closed, you can keep anything on it and you can utilize that space. So basically ये मेरा एक idea solution था. After that, अगर आपको product को और better way में explain करना है to any of them, then make sure you have a lifestyle render. Lifestyle render से आपको clear cut idea हो जाएगा कि मैं इस product को इस way से explain कर सकता हूँ. So these are some of the lifestyle renders, as you can see. And the modeling is done in Fusion 360. And the video that you will see in my next slide is done in Lumion Pro. So you can have such kind of renders which will stand for you and which will make your design sell better. So make sure you have lifestyle renders. It actually impacts a lot. So lifestyle renders are must. So these are some of the lifestyle renders that I have done. I'm just sorry, I pressed the back button. Okay, now in the next slide, you will see a small video. If you guys have attended that session, all those 81% people those have said that I have attended the session of animation and video animation. So animation क्यों होता है? It's something, if you have done all this process, आपका stand form बन गया है कि मेरा ये idea है. But to give more better into that form, वो आइडिया को और अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करना है, then make sure you have an animation, because animation or seeing a video people get more attracted toward it. तो अगर किसी ने ये ऊपर का पूरा पढ़ा भी नहीं होगा ना, तो एनिमेशन देख के उनको समझ आएगा कि आपका प्रोडक्ट किस वे से काम कर रहा है. So I'll just play that animation. I hope you can see, and I'll just stop sharing and I'll share back again so that you can also see you can hear the sound. So just a second. I hope you guys can hear the sound. I'll just play it. Yeah, so that's it. So basically animation plays a very major important role. It will support your entire project, so make sure कि आप धीरे धीरे animation भी सीख लो, and Fusion gives you a very great space to learn animation, and it will make your work more easier. So make sure आपके पास animation video stand करता है. My second project is Kidzly. Now the name itself suggests it would be related to something like kids, and it is basically a value engineering project. So I hope you guys might be aware about the term value engineering. So value engineering is basically a very powerful methodology for solving problems and also for reducing cost while maintaining or improving performance and quality requirements. अगर आप मार्केट में जाओगे तो आप ये दो चीज देखोगे, एक वो प्रोडक्ट सुंदर दिखना चाहिए, एंड सेकंड उसमें बहुत सारे फंक्शंस होना चाहिए. एंड हम कभी भी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं तो हम ये दो चीज को बहुत ज्यादा टारगेट करते हैं. सो मेक श्योर जब आप डिजाइन भी करते हो ना, तो आप ये दो चीज को टारगेट करो, ताकि जब आप प्रोडक्ट बनाते हो तो प्रोडक्ट का रिजल्ट ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा है. So as a designer, value engineering plays a very important role in my entire system. So जब भी I design product, I make sure that I always focus on that point value engineering, because it plays a very important role. Now, what is Kidzly? Basically, Kidzly is a fun piggy bank that not only saves money, but also provides hours of entertainment for your children. These piggy banks open its mouth, blinks, and alerts you if you reach your hand out to pick the coin. So basically, Kidzly एक piggy bank है जो बहुत सारा एक fun type हो जाता है बच्चों के लिए. It will also allow kids to play with it, interact with it, and spend more time with it. So that's something about Kidzly. Now, why did I choose Kidzly? मैंने piggy bank ही क्यों लिया? Make sure you have a strong reason. As I said कि आप evidence डालो, it will have a very great impact on your project. So why have I chosen piggy bank? The only reason is that because nowadays piggy bank is often taken for granted. People have stopped using piggy banks. If you'll see कि अभी के जो बच्चे हमको piggy bank के बारे में ज़्यादा knowledge भी नहीं होगा. But in our times, if you remember, दादाजी दादीजी 1 rupees का coin देते थे, and we used to run and put it in the piggy bank. So we had that excitement, but अभी के बच्चों में वो excitement नहीं दिखती है, and that struck my mind कि piggy bank is almost at the end of extinct, means अभी ज़्यादा दिख के नहीं आ रहा है market में. So I wanted to create something very natural and very something interesting जो बच्चे they'll start using it again. So as a designer, I aspire to restore the value of the piggy bank with the technological factor in mind as well as the aesthetic facets. As I already said कि दो चीजें होना बहुत जरूरी है कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में. एक वो टेक्नोलॉजिकल हो, काफी टेक्नोलॉजिकल चीजें उसमें होनी चाहिए, एंड सेकेंडली मेक श्योर वो एस्थेटिक हो, like aesthetic, like वो अच्छा दिखे. It has to be very appealing, then only people will buy or will like your product. So that's basically my product selection plan. Now product description. In product description, you guys can describe your product. कि product में क्या क्या functions है. For example, I'll just read it out. Kidzly is an electronic piggy bank that allows children to save and learn more. Like the other Google Assistant, this creative gadget communicates with you. So now you can see, yes, it has something functional which is related to Google Assistant. Also, it is a product which now communicates with you. So isn't it interesting to write something and try to express your way of how you see your product? Now, when you add money to the bank, it indicates to the bank how much money we have applied to it, and it celebrates with light. सोचो एक छोटा सा बच्चा अगर उसके अंदर पैसे डाल रहा है और वो एक ब्लिंक कर रहा है लाइट, एंड इट इज सेलिब्रेटिंग, तो वो किड भी खुश हो जाता है ना. उसको एक आदत लग जाएगी कि जब भी मैं पैसे डालूंगा तो वो लाइट ब्लिंक करेगा. So that is where the motor skills of kids also comes into the role. So whenever you design a product, मेक श्योर कि आपने यूजर रिसर्च काफी अच्छे से किया हो, आपको यूजर को सेटिस्फाई करना है। पर हियर फॉर एग्जांपल मेरा यूजर था किड, सो मैंने वो सारे फंक्शंस डाले जो किड्स को पसंद आएंगे। तो whenever you have such products in your hand, make sure आपका जो भी यूजर हो वो satisfied हो। So Kijli is a piggy bank with an intuitive interaction that fits children's daily routine. कितना आसान हो जाता है ना पेरेंट्स के लिए, अगर ऐसा कुछ गैजेट हो जो उनको सिखा रहा है, उनको मनी की वैल्यू करना सिखा रहा है। सो वेयर दे लर्न एंड अप्रिशिएट फाइनेंशियल सबकॉन्शियसली। सो वहां पे वो पेरेंट वो प्रोडक्ट भी दिला के देते हैं। एंड ऑल्सो इट नोटिफाइज द क्यूमुलेटिव सम। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपने 1 रुपी डाला है, बट आपके उस पिगी बैंक के अंदर 300 रुपीज ऑलरेडी है, तो इट विल ऑल्सो टेल व्हेन यू शेक इट, इट विल टेल कि उसके अंदर 300 रुपीज है। So all this thing comes under product description, and you can also write all the functions that your product have. Now this is basic ideations where I had done a digital sketch, a digital drawing, a very rough digital drawing, just a basic outline. So why I have taken cartoon characters? So after research, I got to know that kids are more dedicated towards cartoons. They love cartoons, and whenever they'll see cartoon in that shop, they'll say कि यार मुझे वो चाहिए, because एक जिद होती है बच्चों की that they love cartoons. So that's the only reason I have chosen design characters, cartoon characters for my design. And then as you go to the next, start labeling. As I already mentioned पहले कि आप आपके products को label करो, वो बहुत ज़्यादा helpful हो जाएगा किसी को भी पढ़ने के लिए. So now it is Doraemon. After Doraemon, I've also given 2 broad options of Pikachu and Minion. So अभी अगर एक ही kids as a user है मेरा, so I've always thought कि बच्चा एक चीज से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होता है। लाइक अगर किसी को डोरेमोन पसंद है तो किसी को पिकाचू और मिनियन भी पसंद होगा, किसी को और कुछ पसंद होगा। तो जब भी आप आपका यूजर के हिसाब से काम करते हो तो उनको उतना डिजाइन ऑप्शन भी दो, देन दे विल चूज वन ऑफ देम व्हिच दे लाइक। सो इट इज समथिंग लाइक दैट व्हिच इज मोर लाइक अ प्रोडक्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन। There is a lag.
It's all right. It happens with me all the time when I have to present.
Sorry, sir, I couldn't hear you. Can you just repeat?
Is it better?
I guess there is a lag actually. Maybe due to rain, it's lagging.
Possibly.
Right. So after that, what you can do is you can have a very good quality of lifestyle renders. वो आपके product को और enhance करेगा. So if you see that Doraemon over there, and now if you compare it over here, now you can see a basic lifestyle idea गई कि how it will look into the actual life. जब ये manufacture होके आएगा तो how will it look? So if you want to support your product with lifestyle renders, I think it will have a great impact on your overall project. So make sure कि आप एक lifestyle render भी करते ही हो हमेशा. So these are some of the lifestyle renders that I have done for my project. And again, these are some of the renders to support the project. And as I already mentioned, give them various options. So I have kept that thing that available in various characters, because kids, if my user is kids, and they will be something कि उनको एक चीज पसंद नहीं आएगी, they'll be have varieties of different thoughts in just a second, they'll change that thought. So हमें ऐसे कुछ होना चाहिए प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे वो सपोर्ट करता है varieties of different textures, varieties of different kinds of characters into your product and so on. So जब भी आप यूजर स्टडी करते हो तो वो चीज करो जो यूजर को पसंद आएगा. So that's what my entire project was all about. Now there is a short video which will give you a basic idea ki how that product actually works. So I'll just play that video.
You have just added one rupee. Just few more. You have added 553 rupees till now. Hoping to have more soon.
Yes. So I hope you like that video, and after seeing video, you might have gotten a basic clear view ki actual mein product, how will it work and how does it actually looks like in the real scenarios. So it's something like that. And I'd like to apologize all of you because it's raining so heavily over here, and due to that there might be some glitches. So I'm extremely sorry for that. Yes. So okay. So my next project is more like UI UX part, where it is more into an interaction design project. Those who all are interested in UI UX and those who know कि UI UX होता क्या है, I'll just tell you the broad term of it. UI stands for user interface and UX stands for user experience. So it is more towards a journey of it comes where it is UI UX, and it is an interaction design project. Even I am seeing a glitch over here. I don't know if you guys are also seeing a glitch, so I apologize for that. Okay. So pepper fry. Pepper fry is something which is an furniture based store, and it also has its own app. It also has its own app, and here we were given a chance to redesign the entire app based problem. So in this journey I also had different kind of process. Like here I couldn't follow the old design process that I had in my earlier projects, but when it comes to UI UX you have some different kind of development process. So it starts basically with browsing the app, then you have key findings, then you structure it, then you organize it, and then you have a wireframe to support your design. After that you can now develop it. So these are some of the process which you can follow when you more study into UI UX, or if you want to design something which is related to UI UX. Now, okay, now this is an existing app structure. So whatever you see in the orange box is what we as a team saw the problem. So whatever, these are all the problems that we found. And जैसे बोलते हैं ना user research किया, so we have done this app research, and जहाँ पे भी हमें problem लगा हम लोगों ने उसे mention किया. So this is an existing app structure. And then you can see that I have justified all the points what I found ki wahan pe problem tha. For example, if you could see, I have written the interaction of icon and text as well as eye expression produces a diversion. So that's some of the problem that I found. I found that icon is too large and it is hiding the main image. After that, the fonts that they have used and the spaces that they have not utilized properly. So all those problems that I found, I've written it over there. And finding problem leads to solution. अगर आपके पास problem है तो आपके पास solution मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि मुझे यही problem को solve करना है. जब मैंने इसके ऊपर research किया, जहाँ पे मुझे problem लगा, मुझे अब लगा कि यहाँ पे problem है. Now I can have my own solution to that. So I'll also like to tell you that this is a team-based project. So my entire team has dedicated a lot of efforts to it. And these are some of the problems again. So make sure you have a good research again. तो अगर आपके पास अच्छा research आ गया, आपको पता है कि आपके problem areas क्या है, then it will be easier for all of you to have a better solution to that. Now जैसे we have ideation in that phrase, basic sketching होती है, very rough sketching. Here it is something very similar. It is a low fidelity mockup. अभी ये बस एक frame दिखेगा, आपको पता नहीं कि इसके अंदर text क्या है, and nothing like that. Image कौन सी आने वाली, nothing. But you have a basic wireframe. अब ये wireframe को then I'll develop into a app. So you will see that starting from flash page to the checkout page, everything is over here, and you have to design something like that. So it makes your work again easier. Then you will see information architecture. What is this term? It might be new for you, so I'll tell you information architecture होता क्या है. Information architecture एक वो होता है जहाँ पे आपकी सारी information like starting की Pepperfry का first page से लेके end page तक कैसे जाएगा. So it is more like अगर मैंने ये बटन दबाया उसके बाद में ये बटन है, so that process is information architecture basically. So it is like that, and I've mentioned it. Then major area of concern. So whatever I felt जो भी problem थे, after doing lots of research, we found that there are something which was very unorganized. There were things where it was like वहाँ पे बहुत सारे excess elements थे, and there were some tasks which were important at first. So and similarity is distracting. So all these things that we found had a problem. Now after finding this area of concerns, you will start slowly finding all these solutions because आपके पास problem आ गया, अब आपको solution ढूंढना है. So then the left hand that you will see is what we have redesigned, और right side में अगर आप देखोगे तो वो existing design है. And at the left side, the tab that you can see on the orange box, वहाँ पे एक हमने एक हमारे point को prove करने के लिए एक जगह बनाई है. So अगर if you have a comparison between two things and if you have a space, and आप ये कर सकते हो कि you can have a proper agenda where you can try standing for your design. For example, I'll tell you that if this is a page, it is a flash page, and we have removed this login register button. Now, why did we remove it? So that answer is there in that box. So instead of filling out the information, people are more interested to browsing the application. So अगर आप पहले ही उनको force करते हो कि compulsory login और register करना ही है, it is difficult for all of them to do that. So what we did is we removed that button, और ये button हमने last में रखा. So such things we have done in the entire process. Now in the right hand side, you can see that there is no image which is supporting all of them. अगर आपने किसी illiterate people को पूछ लिया आपको पता है मैट्रिक्स क्या है, तो वो बोलेगा मुझे तो पता ही नहीं मैट्रिक्स क्या है. But on the left hand side, if you will give a proper content to it, अगर आपने एक proper image दिया है ना, अगर आप उनको तब पूछोगे मैट्रिक्स क्या है, अगर उन्हें नहीं भी पता होगा तो वो image देख के आपको बता सकते हैं कि मैट्रिक्स होता क्या है. तो adding an image to your entire thing has a lot of value. It will make it more user friendly and more interactive. So that's the reason we have added more of the images. After that, we have also added icons. Again, most of the people may not be knowing कि cabinetry होता क्या है. Like semi-literate people or illiterate people उनको नहीं पता होगा. तो अगर आपके पास icons है, तो वो icons देखे recognize कर सकते हैं कि it will give them a better feel to the app. They can then recognize, अच्छा इसको हम cabinetry बोलते हैं. Icon को देख के they can have a better view of that. After that, if you see that all the excess information has been removed from it, there's nothing over added to it. अगर आपको कोई चीज पसंद है, then you click on it and then you can have the entire product description about that. So we have removed all the excess information from that page. Now, once you like something, if you like that sofa, if you click on it, then you get some of the 4 color options and you have some sitting options. So we have given that ताकि आपके घर का area के according you can find it out कि which sitting option is better for us. So that's where we have added. And also थोड़ा एक breathing space दे दिया ताकि previous design से अगर आप देखोगे तो उसमें थोड़ा better breathing space है. Now you can compare both the design, one which is on the left hand side and one which is the existing design which is on the right hand side. So on the right hand side, again they have given that button of login and register and again, but हमने क्या किया था, first page से निकाल के directly we have given it to the last page. So now it is easier कि अगर किसी को लेना ही है, then only they'll register. Otherwise, no one will ask forcefully for them to आप आपका number दो and OTP and register it. So now it is easier for them कि अगर उन्हें कोई चीज पसंद है, then only they'll register it. And this is my team. So the entire project is run by this team. And this is a short video that we have created as a beginner. So I just play that video. So I hope after seeing the video you got the idea कि basically app कैसा लगेगा phone में अगर है तो. My next project is Corona. So what is Corona? Basically Corona is a rocket sanitizing drone, and ये drone मैंने तब design किया था when like Corona just started, and just to give a solution I have named it Corona. So this was back in March 2020. So yeah, that project is again. All the model that you see is done in Fusion 360. So thanks to Fusion 360, that helped me to make my project look more better. After that, I have given a basic brief about how India is suffering from COVID-19, and this is last updated on March 26, 2021. Now, we should know the difference between disinfecting and cleaning. Disinfecting is something where you kill the virus, you try to kill that virus, and cleaning is something जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ सफाई कर रहे हो. तो ये दोनों चीजों में बहुत ज्यादा फर्क है. Cleaning basically refers to the mere physical cleaning that will remove organic matter. Means उससे सिर्फ dirt या germs ही भाग सकते हैं. But if you disinfect something, उससे virus मर सकता है. So disinfecting is far more greater than cleaning in terms of COVID-19. So here I had two things: design challenge and design goal. My basic design challenge was to create an interactive sanitizing product that can be used to sanitize one's home or interior space. And my design goal was again to create an interactive product that helps in sanitizing the interior spaces to reduce the growth of COVID-19 virus. So that was my basic design brief. Design goal, design brief, it is very similar. वहाँ पे statement होता है, problem होता है, ना आप उस problem को statement में convert करते हो. Now, Corona is a rocket sanitizer, and it is more like a flying robot drone that can be operated basically with the help of two things. Remotely bhi kar sakte hain, and you can also fly it independently. It has that sensor which is embedded in the system. So it is a software controlled flight plans, and it works on board on sensors and GPS. So Corona is designed for indoor environments, for residents or any other architectural spaces which cannot accommodate public sanitary vehicles. It has three features. First is sanitization. It sanitizes, then it has something washing, and it is one more feature which is deodorizing. Like after, जैसे मैंने observe किया है, हम लोग sanitizer मारते हैं, उसके स्मेल से हमारा सर दुखता है. वहां पे मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम लगा, एंड फॉर दैट आई गॉट अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ डिओड्राइजिंग, जो एक प्रॉपर परफ्यूम टाइप एक चैनल के थ्रू जाता है, एंड इट विल have a better aroma in your house. So this is how it distinguishes it from the crowd, and it makes sure that 99.99% germs are eliminated as possible, and this is a more safer and a simpler method for disinfecting our home and making it a hygienic. Absolutely. So it is a product description, and these are some of the components that I have rendered in Fusion 360. And then I had to introduce, instead of having a remote, what if we have a mobile application to operate it? Won't it be easier for user to use it, because आपको सिर्फ वो download करना है, then anyone can use it. So I had that idea in my mind, and I also created, with the help of user interface and user experience, I created mobile application which will have a drone, all the functions that we can apply from remote. अभी वही चीज हम लोग phone से भी कर सकते हैं. So it's more like a video game. अगर आप देखोगे, सामने जा सकते हैं, add bag, you can go to right, you can go to left, and you can increase the height of it, you can increase the sanitizing power of it, you can increase the battery percentage, means you can see the battery percentage of it, and also you can control the speed of it. So ये सारे functions आपको उसमें मिल जाएंगे, and it is something, you can see this is how it will look in phone. So it's more like that. And this is a GIF which shows more like color variations. And after that, I also had an idea कि ये सब चीजें हम ड्रोन हाथ में तो नहीं देख सकते. What would be a good idea to have a better drone packaging? So then I also decided कि I'll design the packaging of that drone, and I'll make sure कि drone properly safe है, because it is really important कि drone के कोई parts टूटे ना, otherwise it is not replaceable. So here in this package, we're given the 4+2 blades. You have 2 extra blades. If one of the blade gets damaged, you can again replace it. You get a funnel. Now, why you have a funnel? Funnel to put in the liquid sanitizer, so it will help कि आराम से वो liquid sanitizer उसी के through pour हो. Then you have a DC charger where you can charge your drone, and you have a drone body. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is a styrofoam. So it will secure your drone. It will protect your drone. And after that, again, it is a basic cardboard packaging that I have designed. So it is more graphic oriented, but it gives a basic idea about how can we have that packaging done. So these are some of the examples and renders. So these are all the functions, and I wanted कि user को सामने से glance हो जाए कि उसमें कौन-कौन से functions है. So instead of reading a booklet, he should have a direct access जैसे उसको समझ जाए कि ये सारे उसमें functions है. So it's something like that. And this is how it looks like. And there's a tagline that I really liked and I wanted to write, that nothing lasts forever, not even the coronavirus. So stay home, stay safe, and fight hard. And that was entire model was dedicated to COVID circumstances. So that's the reason I like that idea of having it. And then there is a small video I just showcased, and that's the end. I'll just play it. Yeah, I hope all of you can see it. So this entire animation is done in Fusion 360. Yeah, so that was a small video and animation regarding that project. Yeah, so that's how my portfolio all consists of all the 4 projects, and I have showcased all 4 of them to you. And if there might be a glitch in that, and if you want to see all that animation part again, so you can go on to my Behance profile and you can see all those animations all uploaded over there. So you can see all my entire projects and portfolio right there. So I'll stop sharing my screen. Azim sir.
Yes, Mansi.
Yes.
Thanks very much for amazing product design session. Thank you so much. And this is not the end, but it's beginning. Your collected knowledge from this EIA webinar series will help you to design the concepts in this and future events. So get ready for tomorrow's virtual inauguration. Let me share the plan for tomorrow. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Yeah. So get ready for tomorrow's virtual inauguration of the conception product design battle ceremony. And that will be live at 4 p.m. And I am very excited to see you all there. If you have registered for the design competition, then I will send the invitation link on your registered mail IDs. If you have still not registered for the event, tomorrow is the last date, so get registered. And once again, I thank you all of you to join the entire community series, and thank you Mansi for your time and giving wonderful exploration of your portfolio. Thank you Varun sir. Thanks Mansi. I would like to thank all the panelists and participants for being here today. If you have some questions from audience side, please raise your hand so our panelist team can answer your questions as well.
If you guys have any of the questions and you want to ask us, so make sure you raise your hand and you'll be given a chance to speak on, and we'll solve all your queries.
Here we have Varun sir, Vaibhav, Rajesh sir, Salif and Mansi with us. So if you would like to learn anything or want to clear any doubts, feel free to ask your doubts in question answer, as well as you can raise your hand and please ask. Thank you so much, Varun sir.
It's a pleasure. And I must say this was an incredible presentation. The content was very good, very useful. I'm sure it's going to help people and all the participants in their design journey. And I specifically loved that experiential design that you did for the pepper fry. It was truly a remarkable sharing.
Thank you so much.
All right, so we have a kind of shy audience today, I think, and I think everybody's occupied with tomorrow's design battle that's going to start. So no worries, in case you have questions, feel free to get in touch. If you don't know me, I work here at Autodesk as a community manager, closely work with people who are using Fusion. And Azim sir has been a great pillar for nurturing the Fusion ecosystem in India. So we have been trying to make more innovative designers and engineers from India to show up with great solutions and create some remarkable work. And thanks, Azim sir, for organizing this entire community series. I look forward to support you in near future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for supporting this webinar programs and all the competition as well. Thank you so much, sir.
Absolutely. All right, guys, have a good one. Take care.
See you all tomorrow. Bye bye.